Alright, here we go. Working on my 2015 Appalachian trailer tandem axles, 6,000 pound axles here. Placing all the equalizers. Here's the old ones. Worn out, wallowed out. Putting these on. These are MoRryde shackle hanger kit. I mean, you could see it's double the thickness. These are wet bolts with copper bushings versus plastic. And you've been getting bounced out of the trailer a lot lately, and there's just so much play in all the suspension components. It's giving me a lot of vibration going on the road instead of being smooth. So hopefully after this is done, it'll tighten it all up and it'll be a smooth ride going down the road.